Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Cosmos by Carl Sagan. This book is a profound exploration of the universe, the history of science, and humanity's place within the grand cosmic order. Written as a companion to the groundbreaking television series of the same name, the book bridges the gap between science and philosophy, bringing the wonders of astronomy, biology, and physics to a general audience. Sagan's goal is to inspire curiosity and understanding about the universe, while emphasizing the importance of scientific thinking, human progress, and our shared responsibility for the future of Earth. Through historical narratives, scientific explanations, and poetic reflections, Cosmos takes readers on an intellectual journey from the dawn of time to the edge of the universe. Chapter 1: The Shores of the Cosmic Ocean. Sagan begins with a breathtaking introduction to the vastness of the universe, using the metaphor of an ocean to describe our exploration of space. He describes how from our tiny planet Earth, humanity is just beginning to wade into the cosmic ocean, seeking to understand the mysteries beyond our world. He introduces the cosmic calendar, a visualization that compresses the 13.8 billion-year history of the universe into a single year. On this scale, all of human civilization appears in just the last few seconds before midnight on December 31st, illustrating how brief our presence has been in the grand scheme of time. Sagan emphasizes that science is our tool for navigating this immense universe, allowing us to understand our origins and our place in the cosmos. He reminds us that through curiosity and exploration, we can discover truths that transcend our immediate existence. Chapter 2: One Voice in the Cosmic Fugue. This chapter explores the origins of life and the possibility of extraterrestrial organisms. Sagan explains how complex molecules formed in Earth's early oceans, eventually leading to the first living cells. He discusses evolution as a process that shaped all forms of life, demonstrating the common ancestry of every living organism on Earth. The search for extraterrestrial life is a central theme, as Sagan speculates on the conditions necessary for life beyond our planet. He argues that if life emerged on Earth, it is likely that life has also developed elsewhere in the universe. The cosmic fugue represents the interconnected symphony of life, and humanity is but one voice in this grand composition. Chapter 3: The Harmony of Worlds. Sagan takes readers through the history of astronomy, focusing on early attempts to understand planetary motion. He recounts the achievements of ancient civilizations, such as the Babylonians and Greeks, who laid the groundwork for modern scientific thought. He highlights the contributions of Johannes Kepler, who discovered that planets follow elliptical orbits, disproving the long-held belief that celestial bodies moved in perfect circles. Kepler's laws of planetary motion represented a triumph of observation over dogma, showing how empirical evidence could reshape our understanding of the cosmos. Sagan praises the courage of scientists who challenged established ideas, emphasizing that progress is driven by those willing to question conventional wisdom. Chapter 4: Heaven and Hell. This chapter explores the nature of planets and the dramatic events that shape them. Sagan describes the violent past of Earth, including asteroid impacts, volcanic activity, and mass extinctions. He compares Earth's geological history to that of Venus and Mars, highlighting how differences in atmospheric composition have led to vastly different planetary environments. Venus, once thought to be a potential paradise, is revealed to be a scorching wasteland due to a runaway greenhouse effect, serving as a warning about the consequences of climate change on Earth. Sagan also explores the destructive power of asteroid collisions, explaining how such events have shaped planetary surfaces and possibly influenced the evolution of life. Chapter 5: Blues for a Red Planet. Mars has long fascinated humanity, inspiring myths, literature, and scientific inquiry. Sagan recounts early observations of Mars, including the mistaken belief that its surface contained artificial canals built by intelligent beings. He describes the findings of space probes such as Viking, which revealed a barren yet intriguing landscape. He discusses the ongoing search for microbial life on Mars, arguing that even the discovery of primitive organisms would be one of the most profound scientific breakthroughs in history. Sagan envisions a future where humans explore and possibly settle Mars, continuing our species' long tradition of exploration and discovery. Chapter 6. Traveler's Tales. This chapter examines space exploration, from robotic probes to human missions. Sagan details the journeys of spacecraft like Voyager, which provided humanity with its first close-up views of the outer planets. He describes the challenges of interstellar travel, including the vast distances between stars and the limits of human technology. He speculates on the possibilities of faster-than-light travel and the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Throughout the chapter, Sagan emphasizes that exploration is not just about scientific advancement, but also about the human spirit's innate desire to venture into the unknown. Chapter 7. The Backbone of Night. Sagan explores the history of how human societies have understood the stars. He recounts how early civilizations used astronomy for navigation, timekeeping, and mythology. He highlights the contributions of ancient Greek thinkers like Democritus, who first proposed that everything in the universe is made up of tiny particles called atoms. He contrasts scientific explanations of the cosmos with mythological ones, demonstrating how the pursuit of knowledge has evolved over time. The chapter reinforces the idea that science is a continuing journey, driven by curiosity and the desire to understand our place in the universe. Chapter 8. Travels in Space and Time. This chapter delves into Einstein's theory of relativity and the possibilities of time travel. Sagan explains how time dilation occurs at high speeds, making interstellar journeys a theoretical possibility for future civilizations. He explores concepts such as wormholes and the potential for faster-than-light travel, considering whether advanced extraterrestrial species might have already mastered such techniques. He encourages readers to think of space and time as interconnected, suggesting that our understanding of these concepts is still in its infancy. Chapter 9. The Lives of the Stars. Sagan describes the birth, life, and death of stars, explaining how they evolve over billions of years. He introduces the idea that all elements, including those in our bodies, were forged in the cores of ancient stars, reinforcing the poetic notion that we are made of star stuff. The chapter explores the formation of black holes, neutron stars, and supernovae, showing how stellar events shape the universe. By studying the life cycles of stars, scientists gain insights into the history and fate of the cosmos. Chapter 10. The Edge of Forever. Sagan examines the origins of the universe and the possible futures it may face. He explains the Big Bang Theory, discussing how the universe has been expanding since its inception. He explores theories about the ultimate fate of the cosmos, including continued expansion, eventual collapse, or a cyclic universe. The chapter encourages readers to think about the limits of human knowledge and the mysteries that remain unresolved. Chapter 11. The Persistence of Memory. This chapter explores the nature of intelligence and memory, both in biological organisms and potential artificial intelligence. Sagan discusses the evolution of intelligence on Earth, considering how memory and learning have shaped human civilization. He speculates on the possibility of intelligent life elsewhere and the challenges of communicating across vast distances. Chapter 12. Encyclopedia Galactica. Sagan imagines a vast cosmic encyclopedia containing the accumulated knowledge of countless civilizations. He discusses efforts to search for extraterrestrial intelligence, such as the SETI project, and the importance of sending messages into space. He reflects on the potential cultural and scientific exchanges that might occur if humanity ever makes contact with another intelligent species. Chapter 13. Who Speaks for Earth? In the final chapter, Sagan reflects on the responsibility humanity has in preserving life on Earth. He warns of the dangers of nuclear war, environmental destruction, and short-sighted political decisions. He urges global cooperation, emphasizing that we must see ourselves as a unified species rather than as divided nations. Sagan's closing message is one of hope. that through science, reason, and curiosity, we can build a future worthy of the vast cosmos we inhabit. Conclusion. Cosmos is a profound meditation on science, exploration, and the human condition. Carl Sagan's writing bridges the gap between scientific inquiry and poetic wonder, encouraging us to remain curious, responsible, and open to the infinite possibilities the universe holds. The book serves as both a scientific guide and a philosophical reflection on our place in the grand cosmic story.